Ashawo, awusha, ashawo, awusha, boom, boom. Hey girls.
Don't be smart. Hey, now. So free, not kill yourself. Hey baby. Now my paro be this one.
This paro no bad.
You not trust.
Hi ladies.
Anyway, Mona enjoy. Might go do some washing and setting.
Moya Noezo.
Everybody's 15 minutes in a different time.
Fun a bit. This matter don't tell.
Moya now, I don't do finish before.
Beg do fast.
I can't take over my love.
I don't understand. Take over what? What's going on here?
My girls will come and take their turns.
Madam, we didn't discuss this. You not tell me say I won't come knock more than one person. You not tell me say I really kill one kill me.
When you were coming in, did you see some girls there? They will come and have their own feel too now.
Which can't be this one now? First start down, I go say I shall to get per body.
Don't worry yourself. If not the charge, we go pay you extra.
We just pray.
We go give you money. I know, take over. Enjoy.
Freeze! If you move, God,
Oga, na yawo.
Jesus!
So you people are the ones terrorizing this state, right? Women that are supposed to be in their husband's house, you are here doing fraud and taking all kinds of drugs. See, so this is how you want to end your life. I promise you that you will rot in jail. I will make sure I help you end your life.
If you move, come here. Move.
Bring her over here. Come here. Come on, go down. Go down.
The other person in this house.
I can see your noises. I can hear noises. Go and
Are you
check.
sure?
I say check inside.
Hey! Freeze! CFCC, if you move, I shoot you. Stand up for that place.
It don't be for you, now danger you did.
Wow, nice one. Man of the house. Nice one. Oh, yeah, go there, go over there, go over there. Give them their properties. You hold this one, eh?
Officer, this is not my own. I don't smoke, I don't drink, I don't do drugs. Okay, now Ashawo they carry me come do for here. Now Ashawo work I dey do, I beg.
You don't have problem. When you reach station, you go write up for your statement saying, "Now, Ashawo, you can't do for here." I promise your guy will let you go. After the picture, I'll collect them back. You hear? Oh yeah. Strap them. Yeah, come and queue up in twos. Your answer, your neighbor shoulder in twos. In twos.
Officer, I'm not among them.
Nigerians, I beg. Mona pray for me, I beg.